Alright, well, I'm disappointed that the EM1 wouldn't start today. This other flywheel is Loctited on now, so hopefully that'll stay put. I'm not sure why this one felt loose, but yeah, I obviously played with it for a bit and kept trying to get it to start, but the battery in my drill is dead right now, so I can't keep trying because the battery in the drill has got to get charged. So also, I was getting a little frustrated with it. I left the needle valve where it was last time I had it running, and then it didn't want to start this morning, so I kept fiddling with it, and then the flywheel came loose, and that's just, more frustration. So I'm gonna quit for the day and see if I can get it to run next weekend. So oh, and the ET8, I still am waiting on, still waiting for news about when the replacement might ship. So I don't know, we'll see what happens with that ET8 replacement. I'm hoping that it will arrive at some point, but I was pretty excited that the ETX just fired up and ran nicely today, happy as a clam. I haven't had that out in quite a while, and I will probably do some replacing of fuel lines, because all the clear fuel lines on the ET engines are kind of getting hard from all the gasoline. So but that'll be a project later in the week. And I am idly turning over the EM1 because I like how pretty it is when it moves. But like I said, with luck, next weekend I'll have it running again. But that is all for now.